Alright, I guess I kind of forgot to explain what I was doing this morning in the video. Anyway, I went to full speed, explained to them that my issue wasn't fixed, and their next suggestion was to replace the Rave servo motor. So did that, then was also looking over my clutch because yesterday I was getting a lot of clutch slap when the clutch was disengaging, and I found a broken roller. So replace that, replace some ski rubbers, and then you'll see from there. Looking good, buddy.
What are you doing there?
Weight reduction, buddy. Well, me and Jayden are going up the Boulder Dome today. Gonna go test out the sled and see what happens. See if it made any difference. I know at least I won't have that clutch slap from yesterday. Changing out that roller.
Nice wrap on that. That looks good.
Thanks.
I like the color. Color scheme is good.
Looks like somebody deployed their airbag. Well, I did one pull. It seemed okay. I think there was one little hesitation, but seemed okay. I gotta turn up my clicker, but I think it might be good.
Nice.
Fuck. Alright. Just gonna do a quick little adjustment on these clickers. And then I'm hoping we're good. Alright, do another pull and see what happens here. I think we're good. Well, I think the sled's friggin' fixed. I'm so stoked. Let's ride. What you got going on in there? Oh, the sled is running so good.
That was a close one. That's the trail back, so middle down. Okay, we came back up. Didn't have much speed. Like right kind of that little shoot at the top.
Someone's in a tree and it's not even me. Would you look at that?
My boot was untied.
Oh, okay.
No traction.
Jayden is making his second attempt at the hill. Let's see how he does this time. Oh, does not sound good. I hear a lot of sawing going on. Oh, and now I hear a track rubbing against a tree. Should we ask him how he's making out? All right. Third time's the charm, buddy. Oh, I just heard that big ol' F word. I don't know if you guys could hear that. But that was a double F-bomb on that one. All right, 5th time's the charm, buddy. Oh, he's doing good. I see him. Uh-oh, he's right there. Right. Oh, you see that red? That's him.
I'm good. Might need a hand getting this thing out though.
You tired? Ah, I'm so mean. So this is the tree Jayden was in like 5 minutes ago.
Okay, like, all 30 feet.
How you feeling today?
Having so much fun. Anybody want a 2020 Ski Expert 154? For sale. Good deal.
All right, 6 times the charm. He just took this sled to the head. You all right?
Did you see that?
Yeah.
I like stopped it from going down.
So the Boulder cabin basically is right there. Like a little farther, but yeah, you get the point. We've been at this hill for a bit. All right, 8th time is the charm. Nope, doesn't sound like a good start. All right, lucky number 13, let's go. All right, here we go. Lucky number 21. All right, Jayden. Lucky number 69. If you don't make it this time, then you're gonna have to sell your snowmobile, man. I'm sorry. I thought he was gonna run my sled right over. Here we observe Jayden in his natural habitat. Stuck. Jayden's sitting right over there. I was just cutting across the top of this, trying to make it slide. Sled washed out, so I just let it go. Uh-oh. Neat. Oh shit. I even took that in slow-mo. Oh shit. I see a ski again up in the air.
Well, I guess it was only fair that I take my turn in the trees here after making fun of Jayden all day. So instead of the ski tip going on this side of the tree, it had to go like 2 inches that way, and now the ski's jammed in between a big tree and a little tree. Well, that was fun. See who's up next. I wish I got that one. All right, heading out for the day. So stoked that my sled is back running tip-top shape. It was running really strong all afternoon. Big shout out to Full Speed for helping me out with my problems and letting me work a little bit in the shop there. Really appreciate it. But yeah, that's all for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 50. Holy crap. I can't believe my time's almost coming to an end here. I could ride another 50 days. It's crazy there is people that do 100+ days a year. Like, first, I don't know how you afford that. Second, that's some dedication. Definitely wouldn't get 100 days a year in Ontario. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Even when you're a guide in the Chuk Chuks, you still come out here because you know it's better.